All right, we got this amazing Bestier queen size LED bed frame. And that's the first thing I want to show you with this thing right here is the LED lighting. If you come up under here, you can see the LED strip right there. Very easy to install. And it connects right here into the outlet right here, which is, as you can see, 2 regular outlets, 2 USBs, 1 USB-C. The LED strip is a USB that I have connected straight in here. And right here is the control for the LED lighting. So right now I have it on blue, and you can mess with the dimness settings. So that was as bright as it goes. Now I'm just going through all the different dimness settings. Let me go back up to pretty bright. From here, we can go to, maybe say you want to go to a different color. There's green, red. There's all sorts of different colors you can run through, just solid colors. Or you can choose one of the modes. And there's 20 different modes. So, and you can run through the different modes, and then you can also, so then here's one of the modes. We can press this button right here to slow it down or speed it up, whatever we want to do. Right now it's slowing down, and we can have it go very slow. So this thing's just really sweet. I'm gonna let's just do a solid color right now. But I absolutely love that. The bed frame itself is absolutely amazing. It's a walnut color, which I really love. It has these 2 shelves on the side right here. Let's actually go to the other one right here. So there's a shelf on each side. I've got these books right here. And basically, so it's a shelf, but say you don't want the shelf anymore. You just come down here, press this button if you want to come down underneath, press this right here, and it folds right down. Now, there's no shelf. As you can see, we got the shelf on the other side. It's also got this nice little pouch thing on the side. You can store whatever you want. I got the scissors in there. There's also this other, there's basically 2 slots. So that's pretty sweet. We've also got these shelves right up here. So you got a shelf you can set stuff on up here. You got a shelf inside here. I've got my charging, whatever you call this thing, the thing that charges my phone, power bank, sunglasses. You can put a lamp up here. I got my Bluetooth speaker as well, charging my headphones. This thing's amazing. It has a 1,500 pound capacity, noise free, very durable, sturdy, just an all around just great bed frame. 1,500 pound capacity. Highly recommend.